If there's one amino acid that I'd take every single day for the rest of my life, that is taurine. And so in this video, what we're going to do is take a look at how taurine may indeed extend lifespan, and we'll go through some of the molecular mechanisms, and we'll dive deep into how taurine can protect and revitalize the human body. So for those of you who are brand new to my channel, my name is Lucas, the founder of Boost Your Biology. And if you've been enjoying these videos, please like the video and hit subscribe to stay up to date with the latest and greatest health research. So what makes taurine the longevity amino acid? Well, taurine is in fact a very powerful amino acid. And before we get into what taurine actually is, let's dive into how taurine is made and synthesized in the human body. Now, taurine is a type of a natural compound that is found in our bodies and also in certain foods. It is often referred to as an amino acid, but it's a bit different from the typical amino acids that build proteins in our bodies. Taurine actually plays various important roles in our body, helping to regulate our cells and support essential functions. Now, one of its key roles is maintaining the health of our hearts and muscles. It essentially acts like a helper molecule, making sure that our muscles work properly and our heart beats rhythmically. You can find taurine in many energy drinks where it is sometimes added to give an extra boost, but it's in fact not the same as caffeine and other stimulants. In fact, taurine helps to balance out the stimulating effects from caffeine and actually keeps our nerve cells and muscle cells in check. Now, in addition to its role in muscle and heart health, taurine also has potent antioxidant properties, which means it can help protect our cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Now, overall, we can see that taurine is an essential compound and beneficial for various aspects of our bodily functions. And so we can see here in this diagram, taurine supplementation in yeast, worm, and mouse all decline with age. And we can see that taurine affects senescence, intracellular communication, telomere shortening, nutrient sensing, epigenetic changes, genomic instability, loss of proteostasis, mitochondrial dysfunction, and stem cell exhaustion. So we can see that taurine deficiency is associated with poor health. And we can see some of the ranges of poor health include diabetes, obesity, liver disease, abdominal obesity, inflammation, hypertension, high glucose, and high body mass index or BMI. So is it possible that taurine may be able to extend lifespan in humans? Well, taurine abundance actually decreases during aging, and a reversal of this decline through taurine supplementation increases health span and lifespan in mice and worms and health span in monkeys. Now, this identifies taurine deficiency as a driver of aging in these species. Now, this next study here was titled, "Does Taurine Prolong Lifespan by Improving Heart Function?" And what they noted in this particular study was how taurine has a cardioprotective effect and assisting with rhythmic heart beating function and also protecting various myocytes or heart cells. Hey guys, if you're watching this video right now and want to unlock your full mental and physical potential, then the Limitless course is for you. Unlock my best biohacks for energy, motivation, and testosterone optimization so that you can conquer your goals with ease and crush every day with confidence. Click the link in the description and get it now for only $27 today. All right, now let's get straight back into the video. So if we take a look at the other benefits of taurine, and bear in mind, if you do want to purchase a high quality taurine, I'll leave a link down below in the video description for a particular taurine that I recommend to many of my clients that I coach. So you'll see that linked down below in the video description, as well as a discount code to save 10% off your order. So here are the other benefits of taurine. So the general actions include acting as an osmolyte, so balancing electrolytes in the human body. It regulates ion channels. It affects intracellular calcium regulation. It acts as an antioxidant. It possesses anti-inflammatory effects. It has anti-proliferative effects and also anti-endoplasmic reticulum stress inhibiting properties. Now, the main target tissues include the CNS, so acting as an inhibitory amino acid, so balancing out excitatory signals. It increases the inotropism of the heart, so assisting with, well, basically preventing antiarrhythmia, so having antiarrhythmic properties. It assists with the vascular system, so it possesses vasorelaxation effects, it decreases blood pressure, and it may also decrease atherosclerotic plaque. From the immune system standpoint, it acts as an immunostimulant. From the liver, it affects bile salt synthesis, and the skeletal muscle affecting performance, reducing lactate buildup. The genitourinary system, it actually acts as a fertility stimulant. So not many people know this about taurine, but it may also act as a fertility stimulant, increasing sperm count and sperm motility in humans. And then it also increases the pancreatic function by increasing insulin secretion, helping to lower blood glucose levels. Now, this next study here was super interesting. It was titled, Testosterone Enhances Taurine Synthesis by Upregulating Androgen Receptor and Cysteine Sulfonic Acid Decarboxylase Expressions in Male Mouse Liver. So, is it possible that testosterone can actually increase endogenous taurine levels in humans? That is a question that remains to be answered, but this particular mouse study does appear to suggest that it is indeed possible for testosterone to enhance the body's production of taurine. Now, here's a bonus benefit of taurine. Now, taurine actually restores serum GnRH, which is gonadotrophin-releasing hormone, luteinizing hormone, follicle-stimulating hormone, and testosterone concentrations to normal levels in streptozotocin-induced type 1 diabetic rats. Now, according to this particular study, it improved spermatogenesis, it reduces the number of sperm abnormalities, and it increases steroidogenesis by increasing the mRNA expressions of testicular steroidogenesis key enzymes STAR, 3-HSD, and 17-beta-HSD, which may be a benefit by regulating the hypothalamic pituitary testicular axis. Similarly, since libido is primarily regulated by androgens, taurine can increase the sexual response and mating ability by enhancing the secretory function of the HPT axis. On the other hand, taurine also has the effect of improving erectile dysfunction. A recent study showed that taurine has antifibrotic activities, improving erectile dysfunction in diabetic mice by reducing penile fibrosis and improving endothelial dysfunction. So now you're probably wondering about safe dosages for taurine. Now bear in mind, I'll leave that linked down below the video description if you want to purchase a high quality taurine product. Now, if we look at the highest dose used in humans, it was actually 10 grams per day for 6 months. And the longest human trial was 12 months, and they used a dose of between 0.5 to 1.5 grams per day. Now, based on the available evidence, it is suggested that 3 grams per day can be consumed indefinitely without risk of side effects. Now, bear in mind, guys, I've been using taurine for over 4 years now, pretty much every single day. I've taken maybe a few weeks off every now and then, but I've been using around 3 grams per day, and my testosterone levels have remained elevated. I've seen improvements in blood work. My liver enzymes are usually low, and my cholesterol parameters are also usually perfect within range. So we can see that taurine does appear to have some very favorable benefits, and we should now consider taurine as the longevity amino acid purely based on such its broad spectrum and prolific effects across the body and its pleiotropic effects as well. So thanks everyone for tuning in. If you do want to purchase taurine, that will be linked down below in the video description. Otherwise, thanks so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.